feel the thunder, I don't smell the rain. I hear the whistle, not the rush of the train. I taste the hot blood from my chin, where the razors marked my skin. Hope you won't see the state I'm in. I taste the wine, but still the fruit is bittersweet. I feel the disappointment and can't tell it from defeat. I hear the hot spark on the wire. I see between me and your fire. I smell perfume, but not desire. I watch the matches blossom into flame. And smell the smoke as each one flickers out again. I hear the verses as they're sung, and taste my breath, but hold my tongue. But sing myself till my pride's been stung. I smell the dust the dancers kick up in the air. I see your portrait, but the likeness isn't there. I feel your hand inside the glove, and hear bright crystal tap above. I taste champagne, but it's not love. I see the ring, but I can't hear the wedding band. I touch our castle as it crumbles into sand. And smell the cold breeze blowing through this world that used to taste of. I'm doing fine, just feeling blue.
The absolute beginners came to Georgetown. They were wearing Harris tweed and pork pie hats. They'd slit your throat and throw you in the gutter, but it's all you can expect from men like that. The bus is bound for Niles Bend Harbor. The ladies wear perfume to scar your nose, and the only way to reach them is to scare them. But of that you know little, I suppose.